So today we're installing all this stuff right here. So we're going to go ahead and get this all taken out and get it installed. We are doing a dual battery install in our 06 Sequoia. We have two Interstate batteries. They're AGM batteries. They're going to be sitting on our Lampson Fabworks dual battery tray. I'll post a link to this in the description. And then we are hooking up a dual battery isolator kit from Keyline chargers. And then on the batteries, we're going to run some Fastronic Solutions mil-spec battery terminals. And yeah, so all this we're going to get installed in our 06 Sequoia here. So first things first, we're going to get our battery disconnected, and then we're going to pull it out just so we can see what we're working with here. Alright, so here is our battery tray. Oh. Don't need that right now. Here's our battery tray. According to the instructions, we're going to have to drill into this. Maybe this, maybe this. Oh, I think it's the inner fender. So let's read over those and take a look at what we're doing. Alright, here's our space. We're going to unbolt our coolant reservoir and move that so we can have some more room to work with in here. This, according to the instructions, this gets unbolted. So we have our mounting plate for underneath here. We're going to mark our holes, and then this plate is going to go and sit right here, and our battery tray is going to sit here. So we're going to mark our holes and get them drilled out. It's going to be a half-inch hole drilled out here in each one. So yeah, let's get it drilled out. Alright, so now we're going to install our all-thread onto our mounting plate, and then we're going to get this mounted into the truck. So we got everything bolted up in here, and we did a test fit, and unfortunately this is the old battery mount, or the battery hold down mount, and it's just getting in the way. So we're grinding this out right now, and once we get that ground out, we'll shoot it with some paint, and then our battery will fit in each location. Alright, so we have our part ground down, we have our batteries installed, we've got our hold down in place, batteries are good to go. Now we've got our ground hooked up to our fender here, and we're just going to start linking our wires together for the battery isolator kit. Alright, so we're going to get the isolator installed now. We're just going to get it mounted out of the way. So the Sequoia has a nice spot out of the way right here up against the firewall. We're just going to mount it there. We're going to run our wires around here and get it hooked up. Let's do it. Alright, we got the plate mounted up. Now we can just mount the isolator up to it like that and screw that in. Okay, we have everything wired up. We have our primary positive here. We have our accessory positive here. We have our ground coming out of here. We have both wires hooked up together, and we're just going to clip them in the middle and then hook them up to our batteries. That way we get the proper lengths on everything. Alright, everything is installed and finished. We've got our dual Interstate batteries here. We've got our battery mount from Lampson Fabworks. We've got our dual battery isolator installed. Everything was pretty simple, pretty straightforward. I'll put a link for everything in the description below. If you like the video, please like it. Please give us a thumbs up. Please subscribe for more videos coming soon. Share it with your friends, and feel free to leave a comment down below. Anyway, thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.